Welcome to DMAT 0305. In this video, I will give you some navigating tips for eCampus to help you locate information for the course. Once you're logged into your eCampus, click the Start Here button. This is found in the menu on the left. Here you will find information to help you get started in the course. My contact information, course navigation overview, technology requirements, and tips for success. Please note that Chromebooks cannot be used when taking comprehensive knowledge checks. Please be sure to read all of the information under the Start Here tab. Next, if you click on the Syllabus and Calendar tab, here you'll find your syllabus or roadmap for this course, which includes a calendar with all of the due dates. Clicking on the link beside attached files to download the syllabus, then you can open it. I recommend that you print it out and keep it handy. Here is your syllabus. Remember that you are taking a co-requisite course which includes the BASM and the DMAT class. If you scroll down, you will see the calendar with all of the due dates for your assignments for this class. Again, I recommend that you print it out and keep it handy. Under the Lessons and Assignments tab, you will find instructions on getting started in Aleks. Clicking on the link takes you to a video link telling you a little bit about Aleks and how to get set up. Under the Initial Knowledge Check link, there's an explanation of what the Initial Knowledge Check is. Clicking on the Aleks link tab will take you to Aleks. Once you do that, you will be able to click on the McGraw-Hill link labeled Aleks, which will then take you directly into Aleks. You will have to follow steps to set up your account. Under the Comprehensive Knowledge Check tab, you will see information about the CKCs or Comprehensive Knowledge Checks, the Responders Monitor, the Aleks Lockdown Browser, and CKC's do's and don'ts. In order for you to take CKCs, you have to download the Lockdown Browser, and you can do that here. The last tab is how you reach Aleks technical support. The next tab in the menu is Check My Grades. Please refer to the Aleks Gradebook for all of your grades. Under the Communication Tools section of the menu, you'll find tabs for announcements, emailing your instructor, a discussion board, Blackboard Collaborate, and a link for my virtual meeting room. The virtual meeting tab is the only one you'll need to use in this section. Announcements will be emailed. For the quickest response, email me directly at rvinson@dallascollege.edu instead of using the email instructor tab. Please let me know if you have any questions.